Simple interest questions use the formula I equals PRT. P is the principal, the amount being invested, or in this case borrowed, $750. R is the interest rate, 8%. We can write that as 8 out of 100. And T is the time in years. This is invested or borrowed for 5 years. You can work this on the calculator. Before you do that, you might change that 8 over 100, 8 divided by 100, move the decimal place 2 positions, is equal to 0.08. You can do the calculations. 750 times 0.08 times 5, $300 is the simple interest. In the next one, it's another simple interest question, I equals PRT. The amount invested, 1,450. The interest rate, 7%. 7 divided by 100. And the time this time is 25 days. Now normally T is the time in years, so I have to express 25 days in years. I'll make it 25 days out of 365 days in a year. That's the fraction of a year that 25 days is. So I probably could do this in my calculator in one go. Might be safest though. Write that 7 out of 100, 7%, could be written as 0.07 as a decimal, 7 divided by 100, move the decimal place 2 positions, and you might like to, before you start, to do that 25 divided by 365. Notice you get a big long number here. Generally, it's a good idea to keep a fair few decimal points when you're working in these questions and only convert your final answer into dollars and cents. I've already got that one on the screen now. So I'll times it by 0.07. It doesn't matter what order you multiply numbers in. If you've got 3 numbers to multiply together, you can multiply them in any order, you'll get the same answer. Notice we get a big long answer, but it's a dollars and cents question, so I can write my answer as $6.95.